Hello friends, this is my first YouTube video and this is about how to do Halasana for beginners. So let's start.
Before performing any asana, it is important to warm up. Touch your shoulder with your hands and move forward and then backward like this 5 to 10 times. Now for neck, either move your neck right and left like this, or make a round clockwise and then anti-clockwise 5 to 10 times, after which we are ready to enter into the pose. Lie down on the floor with your back straight. Put your legs on the wall straight. Then take 1 or 2 or 3 cushions and put them below your hips for support. Now with your palms, give support from your hips and push your legs backward. Practice this certain times and then you will be able to put your legs on the chair. Once you are comfortable into this pose, then put your one leg on the floor and then another one. Give support from your back whenever needed. Make sure your legs are straight. Put your legs on the floor just like you are pushing the floor down, or clasp your hands like this. Remember, nothing can be achieved in a single day. You have to practice often and push past your limits. Again, come out of the pose just like you get into, and after this you will be able to do Halasana without any chair or pillow or wall support. Do practice this daily and have patience, and let me know whether this video helps you or not in the comment section. Now do this without any support. Raise your legs straight and do like this. Do not forget to click on the subscribe button below, and if you like this video, please click on the like button. Meet you next Saturday with another video. Till then, practice and practice and practice. Remember, consistent practice gives the results. Bye-bye.